Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the TP-Link RE580D AC 1900 dual band Wi-Fi range extender setup in very simple and easy way. The TP-Link RE580D is a dual band AC 1900 Wi-Fi extender designed to boost your router's signal into weak or dead zones. So if you're struggling with the weak Wi-Fi signal, then this extender setup easily solves your problem. So firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the TP-Link RE580D extender box, you'll find the RE580D Wi-Fi range extender itself, along with a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. These items give you everything needed to set up and connect the extender easily. Now plug the RE580D into power. Wait 60 to 90 seconds until the power LED is solid. On your phone/PC, open Wi-Fi and connect to TP-Link _extender _2.4 GHz or TP-Link _extender _5 GHz, either is fine for setup. If it asks for a password at this stage, try no password. Most units are open by default before configuration. Open a browser and go to http://tplinkrepeater.net. If that doesn't load, try http://192.168.0.254. You'll see the login/first-time wizard. On some firmware, you'll be asked to create a new password for the extender, recommended. On older firmware, log in with admin/admin, then it will ask you to change it. If the page still doesn't open, make sure you're connected to the extender's Wi-Fi, not your router. Choose your language/region if prompted, then click Start/Quick Setup button. The extender will scan for 2.4 GHz networks. Select your router's 2.4 GHz SSID. If it's hidden, choose Other/Manual and type the SSID exactly, case sensitive. Enter the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password, your router's. Next, it scans 5 GHz networks. Select your router's 5 GHz SSID and enter that password. If your router has only one band, you can skip the other. If you have multiple routers/APs, pick the closest/strongest one, check the signal column. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the TP-Link RE580D AC 1900 dual band Wi-Fi range extender setup in very simple and easy way. The TP-Link RE580D is a dual band AC 1900 Wi-Fi extender designed to boost your router's signal into weak or dead zones. So if you're struggling with the weak Wi-Fi signal, then this extender setup easily solves your problem. Unplug the RE580D and place it halfway between your router and the dead zone, still within good signal from the router. Plug it in and wait 60s. Check the signal/link LED. Green strong light means good location and amber red light means move it a bit closer to the router. Test internet on a phone/laptop from the dead zone. If it's slow, nudge the extender closer to the router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.